Hello kids, today I am going to show you how to make beautiful patterns simply using thread and watercolors to decorate greeting cards or gift boxes. So now let's see what are the stuffs that you will require. A white sheet, watercolor or poster color of your choice, some thread of equal length, and a notebook. For making a greeting card, first we will fold this paper into equal halves. We have to place this paper inside the notebook before making the pattern. Okay, now we will take the color. We are taking this pink color and we will take the thread. And now we will fold the thread and dip it into this pink color. We are using this bright pink color because we are making a flower. So now it's totally dipped in this color. Now after placing this sheet inside the notebook, we are going to make a beautiful pattern, a random pattern with this thread, and we will leave this end outside the notebook. Now we'll close the notebook. We'll press it by one hand and try to pull the string slowly. Remember guys that you need to pull the string very slowly and you have to move it like a pendulum. Now it's done. Let's check what pattern it has created. Wow, isn't it amazing? You'll always get unique pattern each time. Now let's try making leaves with a different color. See how beautiful patterns are being created? Now you can decorate the sides of the greeting card with sketch colors or any color of your choice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video and give your feedback in the comment section.